time! Swedish Snowstorm Sleepover! All right, Super Pets, at your position. Ready, get set, go! Meet you at the finish line, Super Pets! Astro Pets! Let's see which Super Pet will be the winner. Huh? What's going on? Whoa! They all passed the finish line at the same time. Then everyone is a winner.
Jet to control room. Package pickup.
Now time for this jet to race. See ya! Hi, Jimbo. I'd love you to say where I'm flying today.
You bet, Jet. Sky, please tell Jet about his mission.
Today, you are off to Sweden. It's an awesome country filled with lush forests and lots of snow during the winter. Good to know. A girl named Lily lives there, and her dad has ordered a special kid-friendly phone with a friend locator. Bim bam ba boom! She's got it. Done. And good to go.
Take your position and prepare for the air, Jet.
Preparing super great jetpack. Viking camp all set.
Wow! Looks like Viking Lily is ready to have some fun.
I am. But we can't have the grand opening sleepover until Viking Karen visits. And she won't be able to as long as this snowstorm keeps up.
That's why I ordered a package to help you keep in touch with your friend anytime.
Package delivery! Hurrah! It's here! I'm Jet. On time, every time.
So happy you made it through the storm, Jet.
Okay, Jet Pet. You can do the delivery. Wow, thanks, Jet. And thank you, Jet Pet.
Come on in.
A kid-friendly phone. I have to call Karen. Huh? It's Lily. Hi, Karen. Hi, Lily. You've got a kid-friendly phone, too. Yes. Where are you now?
The snow has stopped on our side of the town, and my mom and I are on our way to your house in our new vehicle, Bjorn.
Hurrah!
That's how we say hooray in Swedish, the language we speak.
Karen, please drive carefully. I saw a lot of icy roads as I flew in here. Did you hear that, Bjorn?
You don't have to worry about me. I could drive through it.
What's going on? Karen! Oh no! Something happened! We have to go help Karen and her mom. The friend locator on my phone says that's where Karen is. Can I go, Dad?
Okay, but make sure you stay with Jet.
The snow that fell is blocking the doors. We can't get out.
No worries. I got this. Or not.
Get ready, get set for a super wing and a super friend.
Karen! Lily, you came!
Looks like we can't do this alone. It's time to call for some super help.
Super help?
You bet! World Aircraft, come in!
Hey, Jet. How's it going in Sweden?
Not good. Karen and her mom are trapped in their car Bjorn under a cell phone tower.
Okay, stand by, Jet. Help is on the way. Sky.
Yes! What they need is a high-tech expert. Superwing Astra!
And super great Astra Pet.
Super Ice!
It's Astra and Astra Pet. Things are looking up.
Get ready, get set for a super wing and a super pet! Wow! Look at all this snow! I know just the tool to get you out of this trouble. AstroPet Hollow Projector Transform!
Now it's Jet and Jet Pet's turn. Super Pet, power up! Jet Pet, power glove transform! Power
Oh no! Hollow Rope Action!
Huh? Look out!
Karen! We have to go after them!
With extra speed! Jet Pet! Snow Scooter transform! Hurrah! Hop on, Lily!
You guys go ahead! We'll catch up with you after we take care of this!
Wow.
Yes!
Yay! Oh no, look out!
Super speed! Antenna catch action!
Thank you for helping Karen come visit, Jet. Now we can have the Grand Viking sleepover.
Looks like our work here's done. Time to fly.
Bye!
Come back soon. Superwings and Super Pets. We deliver!
Here, subscribe to our channel.